What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to patch and fix damaged stucco that has chips, cracks, or even holes in it. If you guys are new to my channel, please do me a favor and click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Okay, now here's the area of stucco we're going to be repairing. We have a nice crack right here. Then we have a couple big large chips right here missing. The first thing we're going to want to do is scrape with a putty knife. We're going to scrape the cracks in areas. See how it's kind of loose in the middle? We're going to want to scrape it and get rid of all that loose material. Come back with a brush. We're going to brush all the dust out of that crack. Make sure all that dust and debris is out of it. Now this is the stucco patch we're going to be using today. It is a pre-mixed stucco repair patch by DAP. I'll make sure I go ahead and put links down in the description to this as well as the tools and supplies I'm using for this video. This is how it looks. It's all pre-mixed. You don't need to mix. Now you're going to want to apply this in temperatures above 40 degrees as well as no rain forecast or freezing temperatures for at least a day. It's really smooth like frosting. So we're just going to press it into the crack. We want to press it in so it gets nice and deep in the crack. And it's okay to spread it beyond the crack. That's fine. Then I'll take my bigger knife. Just going to spread it out a little bit. Going to give it a little texture. Just blend it in a little more. Now if you have large chips and cracks like this, you're going to want to put one coat on first. If it's deeper than 1/4 of an inch deep, we're going to put one coat on and then let it dry overnight, and we'll come back tomorrow and put another coat on. So I went ahead and put a second coat to fill it in yesterday, so it's been drying another full day. Alright, so it's been drying about a day. I'd definitely wait at least a day for this stuff to set up, especially if for some reason you were using enamel paint, which you really probably wouldn't on stucco. You just want to touch it up a little bit with some close to match paint as you have of your stucco. That patch stays a little rubbery. I found a little piece in. It stays kind of rubbery even after it's dry, so that must be how it bonds. There we go. Just kind of feather it out. Looks much better than those cracks and chips that were missing. Alright guys, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the little notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself guys. Take care.